Hello, I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Thank you everyone for subscribing and liking our shows here on YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Well, anyways, to make it short, for today we're going to have pork chop with some wasabi, parmesan, and lemon. So first we're going to do the marinade. So I have about a teaspoon of wasabi here, and I'm gonna go ahead and squirt our lemon like so. And then of course right over here I have about 2 tablespoons of parmesan and a tablespoon of garlic powder, and also half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also some cayenne pepper for spices, and also some salt, and also some dried parsley, and some paprika. Of course, we have our pork loin over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it. You can marinate this for overnight. After washing my hands, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on our stove, and I put 4 ounces of butter here. Since my pork chop is pretty thin, as you can see, so it's gonna take me about 4 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in and fill it like so. But if you want to leave it longer, you could also. But you don't want your pork chop to be super dry. You want it moist and tasty and delicious at the same time. Alright, so it took me 4 minutes to flip our pork chop here. Alright, so it has been 4 minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it one more time. Transfer our pork chops here to our plate, and remember, you guys are going to love this sauce, so make sure you put some into your plate like so. And what I'm going to do next, look at that. Ooh, go ahead and start putting some green onions. Time for eating. Look at that. It did not even take us so long. I can't wait. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Coco. I love you all, and enjoy to your mouth. Is that right? Or whatever did I say? Yum.